Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make a drift physics in Scratch. So I'll show you how it works. So I'll start the car and now I'll make it drift and now I'll make it drift like this and now it's going on the road and now let's make it. So here I got a car and a map. So if I make this 1000 the size, it will not go to 1000. So what we can do is go to the costume and create one more sprite that should have nothing in it. After that, when the green flag is clicked, we need to switch to that costume, which is costume 2. Costume 2 is the name. And after that, let's set the size to 1000 and then switch it to costume 1, which is the map. Now, if we run this, you can see that the map is now 1000. That is how you can make bigger objects even bigger than the limit. Okay, now after that, now let's make the car. So for that, let's go to the car. Let's make a new variable that can speed, which can be only for this sprite. Direct direction direction for the sprite only. So direction is for controlling the like where the car should point angle, and then we need to make drift angle and drift angle for the sprite only. So drift angle will control the drifting angle of the car. So let's untick all of these variables. I think I'll leave speed here, down here. Okay. So now, when the green flag is clicked forever, if we press the up arrow key, we should set speed, not set, change speed by 1. Change speed by 1. As you can see here, if I press the up arrow key, it goes it just goes to a random number like this, like just increases, goes above 1000 and everything. So we need to limit this to a number. So what we can do is, so if we multiply any number with 0.95, that will stay in a limit of minus 19 and 19. So let's multiply speed by 0.95 speed, and there. Now it will stay in 19 and won't go above that. And let's also add the back. Let's also make the car go backwards. So for that we need to change speed by minus 1. And still the wait, I forgot to make it down. Okay. And now that's okay. And now let's make the car turn. Okay, so if if left arrow key is pressed, let's say, we need to uh, change change direction by 5, let's say, and we also need to change drift angle by, let's say, speed multiplied by 0.1, I think. Okay, now let's duplicate this, put it down here, and this one should be for the right arrow. And let's make this minus 5 and here minus 0.1 for the drift effect and for changing the direction. Okay, so for for the direction or the drift angle, it will go. So we need to limit the drift angle. So for that, let's set drift angle. So let's do the same thing here. Just multiply drift angle by this value to keep it in a certain range. Let's delete. Let's make speed into drift angle like that. Okay. So our basic code is done, and now let's make the car move. So we need to create a variable which is x for all sprites and also y for all sprites. And so now we set x. So here we need to uh, minus, actually not minus, we have to add direction and drift angle and multiply speed by cos of this, and we need to add this entire thing by, let's go to sensing and take this and put it here. We need to add that by maps x position. Let's duplicate this for the y. Let's put this one in the x, and for the y we need to change this to y, and here we have to change this to sine. And now let's set y to this value we created here. Okay, now this is for the movement code. We will make the level move and everything, and before that let's make the car point towards direction. Okay, not moving in the correct way, so I think I'll uh, so add 0 minus direction, so direction becomes into a negative number, and now I think this is better turning. Okay, and that's it for this code here. Now let's go to the map, and here let's say forever, let's set x and y to x and y variable. Okay, properly. Okay, so that's because our car needs to be pointing upwards. So whatever car you're using, it should point upwards in the costume like this. Then only it will work. And also, I will make this go to back layer, so the car is in front of the road. And I think that's it. And that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.